Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 12 months of Adobe Creative Cloud completely free, and I'm talking legit, no cracks, no pirating, and no credit cards required. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are at my Adobe store. I'm going to show you how I've got the 12-month Adobe Creative Cloud plan for absolutely $0. Yes, you heard that right. $0. No hidden fees, no surprises. As you can see, I've selected the All Apps option, and when I get to the checkout, the price shows $0 because I used a special coupon code. This is the kind of deal you want to grab before it's gone. So how did I get this code? It's super simple. All you need is a smartphone, whether it's Apple or Android. I'm using an iPhone, but it doesn't matter what device you have. First, go to your browser and type in funzap.com. Once you're on the site, just search for the Adobe Creative Cloud offer. It should show up right away, but if not, use the search bar to find it. You'll see there are only a limited number of coupons available, so they're going to go fast. Just click on the Show Coupon button to see more details. Here's where it gets interesting. In order to unlock the coupon, there are a couple of simple tasks you need to complete. Don't worry, they're super easy and won't take up much of your time. For the first offer, I just need to complete a quick task that should only take about 5 minutes. I'm going to do that now while you watch. Now, for the second offer, all I have to do is complete a task that takes about 30 seconds. It's that simple. I'll wrap this up and then we'll move on to the final step. Once both tasks are done, I'll head back to the site and the coupon code will be unlocked automatically. Then, I just copy the code and go back to the Adobe store. Now that I'm at checkout, I simply paste the coupon code into the promo code box and boom, Adobe Creative Cloud for 12 months for free. And that's it. It's that easy to get Adobe Creative Cloud 12 months completely free. No cracks, no pirating, just a legit promotion that's available for a limited time. Make sure to grab it while it's still available. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you were able to get the code, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.